Now, if you're in the market for an immersive sound experience, you're gonna wanna watch this video. This is EBPMAN Tech Reviews, and today we're gonna take a look at, you got that right, this is Sony's wearable immersive speaker. Let's check it out.
Get that golden rule. Why is I love it one-sided? It should really be give and take.
Now in today's video, we're gonna take a look at the Sony wearable speaker. Now this wearable speaker is gonna give you an immersive experience for gameplay, for watching movies, or for listening to music. Now you may be asking yourself, like, who is this speaker for? Well, if you are in a dorm setting, right, where you're sharing space with others, if you're in an apartment settings where you're sharing space with others, or if you have difficulty hearing and you'd like to be able to have a unique experience that's personalized to you and not disrupting others, then this is the video for you. So in this video, we're gonna take a look at all the features. We're also gonna do a audio test, and we're gonna be using a binaural mic to actually hear what it sounds like. So if you have some headphones or some earbuds, make sure you put them on during that binaural test. So let's get right to it.
Make sure you hit the subscribe button and tap the little bell icon to get notified when new videos become available.
Now Sony's wearable speaker retails for $249. Now the speaker itself has a 1000 milliamp hour battery, and it will last for 7 hours, which is going to be more than enough time for you to watch a movie or for some gameplay. Now connecting your Sony wearable neck speaker is really simple. All you need is this transmitter here. This transmitter has two connection options. You could either use an aux cable to connect, or you can use an optical cable. Now you can connect either one of those cables to either your game console or your TV. It's that simple. Now if you want to connect it to your phone, all you need to use is that included cable. Now Sony provides you with a lot of accessories with your speaker. So as you can see here, I have the speaker with the user guide. I have a charging base with the transmitter, a couple power bricks, and then micro USB cables, aux cables, and optical cable. Now one of my favorite cables is this one right here. This one allows you to connect it to any mobile phone. As we take a closer look at the speaker itself, a couple things that we'll highlight. First of all, the audio is going to come out through these channels. This is cloth material all the way around. You do have here your volume rocker, so plus and minus, micro USB on this side. Here you have your power button, and then this is your vibration mode. So this is going to give you different intensities. So if you're game playing or watching a movie and you want kind of like that rumble effect, this is what you'll adjust. Now there also is a wireless contact point here, so that as you're putting it to charge, it falls into this cradle. So you can see how the cradle looks right here. This falls into this side so that you don't have to plug it in. You just rest it on top of this, and then it's going to charge. Now for those of you who are curious about the overall wear, so I'm going to go ahead and put this on. So this is definitely a fatigue-free type speaker because it doesn't go in your ear or on your ears at all. But as you see it here on the side, it has this curvature right here that kind of shapes with your shoulder and your chest. So it just rests there. It's not extremely heavy, and I've used it for a couple hours and haven't had any complaints at all with it. And then also, because the audio is coming from here, you do get a lot of ambient noise. So this isn't going to be like headphones, wearing headphones. This is going to be open ear, which gives you more awareness, but it also gives you that immersive experience. That coupled with the vibration that takes place for gaming, I'm going to tell you, this is really cool. And even as you're watching some movies, if you have some movies that have some great action, that vibration motor that this thing has really gives you kind of like you're in the movie. And this also applies even to audio. Now, what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and do a audio test, and we're going to do a binaural audio test, which means if you have headphones, put them on because you're going to hear exactly what I hear. Let's get right to it. All right, so next we're going to do our audio test, so make sure you have your headphones or your earbuds on. Let's go ahead and try it. Nice. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to cycle through each one of the modes right here to see how it sounds and feels. So right now I really feel the vibration here in my chest. So let's go try the next mode. Alright, so the bass doesn't really feel really pronounced. The vibration has gone down, but the vocals are pretty high. Alright, so now I'm starting to feel the vibration again. Bass has come back. It feels a little louder. Wow. So I don't know if you can tell, but this is like really vibrating. It feels really, really nice. All right, let's try lowering the volume. So we're going to lower all the way down. And then I'm going to raise it all the way up. That was at the highest volume. Wow. Nice. So what did you think? Let's go ahead and switch tracks so we can hear something a little bit different. We'll go ahead and switch to, let's try this one right here. This will be a little bit lighter.
We collide, we break down.
And again, this is the highest setting.
Caving in to our doubts. Faces filled with sadness.
Very, very clear audio. The vocals are spot on.
We'll regret. I can see the fire that we made.
Oh, yeah.
When we
Yeah.
try to make up for never letting go.
Oh, I can feel it right here.
Things we promised not to say that we break.
All right, let's go ahead and switch. It's gone.
This is the hard way back.
This doesn't sound bad.
We can be hard.
But here, this is my favorite setting, when you can really feel that rumble. Let's see if it kicks in again.
We can be hard together.
There it is. All right, let's lower that volume. Wow, that feels really good. Let me know what you thought about that audio quality. Let's try some gameplay. All right, so now we're going to go into some gameplay. We're taking a look at this game here, and you can hear the actual volume that's coming through this thing. It feels great. So you can see kind of like the scene here and everything that's going on. So let's switch to the gameplay. So far, this sounds awesome. Alright guys, so now we're going to test out some gameplay. So you can see here, I'm going to go ahead and just try all the modes here. Oh, that sounds awesome. So it really takes your, the gaming experience to the next level. Wow. Oh. Alright. So what do you think about gameplay with this wearable speaker? I think it's pretty awesome. Alright, let's go ahead and do it again. Love it. Oh well. Alright, so I can play this for a very long time, and I'm telling you, the audio experience really transforms the gameplay. So let me know what you thought about both the music playback and the game playback in the comment area below. Alright guys, so that wraps up our review of Sony's wearable neck speaker. Let me know what you thought about the audio quality, the gameplay in the comment area below. See you in the next one.